The Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus the Continental SecureContact AW. The long-awaited challenger has finally arrived. For years, the CrossClimate 2 has been the benchmark in the all-weather segment, known for its ability to deliver true year-round performance from dry roads all the way to snow and ice. Now in 2026, Continental steps in with SecureContact AW, fully equipped with the Three-Peak Mountain Snowflake certification, promising rear winter capability, improved efficiency, and stronger everyday usability. But here's the real question. Does the new challenger actually delivers on its promises, or does the king still holds its crown? Let's find out. Throughout this video, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. The data source comes from Tire Review's all-weather tire test. In wet braking, the SecureContact AW stops 0.95 feet shorter, translating to a 1% advantage. In wet handling, the SecureContact AW completes the lap 2.2 seconds faster, which is a clear 3% improvement. In straight line aquaplaning, on the other hand, the CrossClimate 2 holds stability at 3.2 miles per hour higher speed, giving it a strong 7% advantage. Overall, the SecureContact AW shows stronger cornering performance in wet, while the CrossClimate 2 remains clear superior in aquaplaning, making this trade-off between agility and straight-line safety. In snow braking, the CrossClimate 2 stops 0.72 feet shorter, a 1% advantage. Snow traction is effectively identical, with no measurable difference. In snow handling, the CrossClimate 2 completes the lap 2 seconds faster, translating to a 2% lead. Overall, the CrossClimate 2 holds a small but consistent edge across snow conditions, particularly in braking and handling. On ice, the CrossClimate 2 continues to extend its lead. It stops 0.33 feet shorter in braking, which equals to a 2% advantage. In ice traction, it completes the test 0.39 seconds faster, translating to a significant 7% improvement. Overall, the CrossClimate 2 clearly delivers more confidence in low grip conditions. In dry braking, the CrossClimate 2 stops 7.3 feet shorter, a clear 5% advantage. In dry handling, both tires are essentially matched, with only 0.17 second difference, translating to no meaningful gap. Overall, the CrossClimate 2 dominates in braking, while both tires perform similarly in handling. In noise performance, the SecureContact AW is 1.8 dB quieter, giving it a 2% advantage. This makes it slightly more refined for everyday driving. In rolling resistance, the SecureContact AW records 0.41 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, translating to a 5% advantage. This means better efficiency and potential fuel and EV range benefits. One of the biggest reasons the CrossClimate 2 has built such a strong reputation is its outstanding longevity. In consumer reports testing, it achieved an impressive 95,000 miles of real-world usage, one of the highest ever recorded for an all-weather tire. While we don't have yet comparable data for the SecureContact AW, it is highly unlikely to match this level of durability. When it comes to pricing, in the 215/55R17 size, the Continental SecureContact AW is 15% cheaper than the Michelin CrossClimate 2. In summary, the Continental SecureContact AW stands out with stronger wet handling, lower noise, better efficiency, and a more attractive price point, making it a very modern and well-balanced all-weather option. However, the truth is, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 still holds the crown. It delivers more consistent performance across all conditions, with clear advantages in aquaplaning, snow, ice, and especially dry braking, combined with class-leading mileage of up to 95,000 miles. And that's the key difference. The CrossClimate 2 doesn't just excel in one area, it delivers the most complete, dependable package, which is exactly why it remains the benchmark in this all-weather segment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.